Namaste and a warm good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personality. My name is Pratima. I belong to Bhosi. I am pursuing BA and am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am here to deliver a beautiful speech on saving trees. But I would say some lines in Hindi. पेड़ लगाओ पेड़ बचाओ समझो पेड़ों का मूल पेड़ लगाओ पेड़ बचाओ समझो पेड़ों का मूल मत कटने दो पेड़ों को क्योंकि पेड़ है सबसे अनमोल Trees are very essential for the health of the environment and must be saved at any cost. As you know that trees provide fruits like apples, mangoes, banana and medicine etc. We cannot live without trees because they produce oxygen. That's why we should all save the tree. I conclude my speech with beautiful quotation. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. I will wrap up my speech with a message that it's been an experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.